Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add vertical line to text in Photoshop. Let's begin. I create a new layer, select the text, right click on your mouse, select text color, text size, OK. Then type example how to and add vertical line, click space, hold control, select this character, hold shift, select this, press this character. Again, hold shift, click this character. And another way to add vertical line, again create a new layer, then select shape, right click, this line tool, use line tool, then click and drag it, hold shift for straight, hold shift and straight, increase the size, okay, again increase the size, okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.